Am I the only one who didn't know you could turn butter chicken into bite-sized heaven? Today we're whipping up butter chicken bites. First, grab these ingredients. 1 pound chicken breast, 1 cup yogurt, 2 teaspoons garam masala, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon chili powder, salt, and pepper. For the sauce, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 onion, 2 cloves garlic, 1 inch ginger, 1 can tomato puree, 1 cup heavy cream, and 1 teaspoon fenugreek. Got it? Cool. Marinate the chicken with yogurt and spices for at least an hour. Meanwhile, let's make the sauce. Melt butter in a pan, saute onions, garlic, and ginger until golden. Add tomato puree and simmer for 10 minutes. Stir in cream and fenugreek. Now grill the marinated chicken until cooked through. Dice them into bite-sized pieces. Toss the chicken in the rich, creamy sauce. Serve on skewers or toothpicks for that perfect party snack. Bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes if you like them extra crispy. And there you have it. Butter chicken bites. Your party just got a whole lot tastier. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more delicious recipes. See you next time.